Klover and FloatMe can both provide small cash advances, but neither app promises instant approval for every user. The speed depends on your bank connection, account history, income activity, and whether your account meets each app's eligibility requirements. By the end, you'll know which app is generally faster to get started with and what affects approval before you request an advance. Start with the application process. Both Klover and FloatMe ask you to create an account, verify your identity, and securely connect your primary bank account. During this process, each app reviews your banking activity to determine whether you qualify for an advance. If your account information can't be verified, approval may be delayed regardless of which app you choose. Now compare how each service evaluates users. Klover places a strong focus on analyzing your connected bank account and recent financial activity. Once your account is successfully linked and verified, eligible users can move forward with requesting an advance. If your bank connection fails or your account data is incomplete, you'll usually need to resolve that issue before approval can continue. FloatMe follows a similar approach by reviewing your linked checking account and income patterns. The app is designed to keep the sign-up process simple, but approval still depends on meeting its eligibility requirements. A stable banking history generally leads to a smoother experience than accounts with frequent overdrafts or inconsistent deposits. The next factor is funding speed. Approval and money delivery are not always the same thing. Even after you're approved, transfer time can vary depending on the delivery option you select and your connected bank. Some users choose expedited delivery when it's available, while others wait for the standard transfer. Review the available options inside the app before requesting an advance. You can also improve your chances of a faster approval. Use your primary checking account instead of a newly opened account. Make sure your banking app credentials are correct before linking the account. Keep the app updated to the latest version, and complete every identity verification step as soon as it's requested. These small details often prevent unnecessary delays. So which app approves faster? For users with a stable banking history and a supported financial institution, both Klover and FloatMe are designed to provide a quick application process. Neither app is consistently faster for every person, because approval depends on your individual account rather than the app alone. The best next step is to compare each app's eligibility requirements, connect your primary bank account, and choose the service that works with your financial profile. If this comparison helped you, like the video and subscribe for more app comparisons, troubleshooting guides, and personal finance tips.